To create a website using Drupal, follow these steps. Install Drupal. First, you need to install Drupal on your server or local machine. Use a local server stack like XAMPP, WAMP, or MAMP. Download Drupal from the official website, extract it to your server's directory, and configure a database through phpMyAdmin. Create a database. Log into phpMyAdmin and create a new MySQL database for your Drupal website. During the installation process, Drupal will prompt you to connect to this database. Choose a theme. Drupal offers a range of themes which define the design of your website. After installation, you can choose from available themes or download custom themes from the Drupal theme repository. Navigate to the Appearance section to enable and configure themes. Add content. Create different types of content, such as articles, pages, and blogs. You can do this from the Content section. Each content type can have custom fields, allowing for flexibility in the information you want to display. Extend functionality with modules. To add more features like forms, SEO, and social sharing, install modules. You can find these in the Extend section and install them directly from the admin interface. Publish your site. Once you've created and configured your content, theme, and modules, you can publish your site.